Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on silver. COMEX silver price had given an upward trendline breakout along with key support at $22.25 level on downside, tested the first key resistance base at $23.33 level, accompanied by witnessing clear positive signal through MACD, waiting to motivate the price to resume upward till $23.52 and $23.95 level in upcoming trading session efficiently. MCX silver price was moving in sideways consolidation range along with trendline breakout, resume its positive trading to breach 73,200 barrier, which support the continuation of the bullish trend for an upward target of 73,150 and 75,000 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 70,500 level and break below will reactivate the bearish trend scenario. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.